So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a little cat to celebrate Christmas. So let's get started. To draw this cute cat, let's first start by drawing a curve for the top of the head. So I'm going to come right here, just draw a soft curve right in the center. Then I'm going to go out for the ears, round off the tip, and come right back down. And same thing over here. Go up, round off the tip, come right back down. So we're just imagining that this head is coming all the way through. That's why I'm stopping about right here. And I'm going to come down about right here and bring this out. Curve and bring this out. There. Now that we have that, let's come right back in here for the ears. So imagine there's a curve right here. About right here, I'm going to go ahead, draw a curve, and come in here to draw the insides of our ears. Same thing over here. So I've made it a little bit wider on this side and thinner on this side. Then from there, we're going to come in and draw the nose and the mouth. So, the eyes. So let's come right in the center. I'm going to say about right here. I'll just start right here in the center. Give myself a little nose for a cat. Round off the corners on the sides. And just connect it in the center. Then right underneath right here, come down a little bit, and we're just going to draw two curves that come out for the mouth. And then let's come to the sides about right here, and I'll draw a circle for the eyes. And same thing across, about right here. So since they're kind of small, I'm not going to make them draw so cute eyes. I'll just put a little highlight right here and shade everything else in. And same thing over here. There. Okay, now that we have the eyes in, I'm going to go up above each eye and just draw a soft curve to anchor everything. And then let's come back in here in the center, and we're just going to give our cat here 3 stripes right in the top. And then let's bring this down. So I'm going to angle it out as I come down to create this body for a cat. Very simplified body. And I'm just going to bring it down. We're going to get a little bit wider as we come down. And about right here, I'll start to bring it in. And same thing here. So I'm just going to go back and forth. And about, let's see here, let's bring this a little bit more so we kind of know where we're going to end at the bottom. And about right there, I'll stop, come back to my center, and I'm going to start to draw feet. So very simplified feet right in the center. I'm just going to give myself 2 slight curves. Then I'm going to bring out these little feet. And I'm just imagining this is curving down. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and curve right back up. And one right here as well. And let's go ahead and connect this. And come right through and connect everything. So like I said, very simplified. You can come in here with 2 little lines right here for the paws. So nice and simple. We don't have to draw the feet. And then from there, let's draw the tail. So I'm going to come right here in this area and just draw a tail. It's wrapped around. And comes right back in. There. And then our whiskers, of course, I almost forgot. Let's come back to kind of like where the eyes and the mouth are. We're going to come right here and put 2 little whiskers. There. So that is pretty much it for our cat. Now that would be just like a regular cat for every day, right? But if you want to make this cat celebrating Christmas, let's go ahead and come to the top right here, and we're going to give our cat here a little star at the top. So I'm going to come out here and draw a star, because cats love to get themselves tangled up in the Christmas lights, all right, in the trees. So this cat definitely has all the ornaments on on him right here. So let's put a star right on top, and then let's put some strings of lights. So I'm going to come right here, and I'm just going to curve. Let's curve it to here. And connect. One string, and then let's put another one about right here. And I'll end it about right here so I can see it a little bit better. So I'm going to go this way. Whatever is easiest for you. There. We have 2 strings of lights, and so let's put some lights on here. And I'm just going to come in here and just draw a bunch of circles for the lights. But you can make your lights whatever shape you want. So just go really quickly. And I really hope you love this drawing and think that it's really cute and brings a smile to your day. Because I love cats. And I thought this would just be so cute to draw. And let's see here, put one out here. And I'm missing one there. That's okay. We'll just leave it blank. And let's see, what else can we add? We'll add maybe some markings right here. The space I have. And maybe something on the tail. Right there. And of course, last but not least, let's add a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute cat that's ready to celebrate Christmas. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you loved this drawing and that inspired you to draw it fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.